At the Golden Hog, we're a luxury grocery store, it's a specialty market. We focus on products that are not commonly available in mainstream supermarkets. We have been in business for 16 years. We'll be opening our fourth location by the end of this year. When I purchased the company 16 years ago, we were using a legacy POS system, and we kept that POS system for most of the processes that we had in place. We delayed the decision to change because of fear. Even though we knew that POS system had many limitations, lacks of visibility and good reporting, we were relying on many interfaces to other technology and other softwares in order to do our end transactional activities. And it was cumbersome. You grow and you want to scale the business, that we realized that the POS system that we had was actually preventing us.
This is a very complex business, restaurants and retail operation all together. We also have plans to grow. We're looking for a system that also allows us to scale the business.
In order to scale businesses like ours, we need to have modern technology.
Our must-have requirements when selecting an ERP was the operation integrated into one system.
When we learned about Odoo, we were trying many other different POS systems and platforms, and they always discriminate between the retail and the food service. There was not one platform that could integrate both seamless and provide end-to-end visibility, not only to the transactions, but also accuracy to the data and integration to the accounting and all the operations areas of the company. So Odoo was the right decision for us to move on.
The second big job was to find the right partner to accompany us that journey. And came across Bista, very impressed by the reception we had from them. They offer immediately to come to the site to observe the operation and make us a more clear and tailored diagnostic for our business. The last part on that process was to understand whether they had experience in retail restaurant operations.
It was a long journey, very satisfactory journey. We were looking for different providers. We stayed with Bista because they have the proof, they were professionals. They helped us out through the whole process of implementation. They took care of almost everything in terms of development. One of the problems this type of businesses have is that if you're changing the price and you have one system, you have to go manually and change the price. With Bista from the back end of Odoo, and we decided to take the price just in a matter of seconds. That update, it's here on the scale. That was the most valuable part of being a Bista partner. One of the hard work challenges that Bista helped us out with was in our previous we didn't have any way to actually put an order like I want a burger but no pickles and no onions. The only changes that we made was mainly tailored to the hardware. In the end, it was something out of the box.
So after going live on Odoo, we control in a better way our fulfillment and management orders, because all the team get the full visibility and confidence, but other one trusting just in a single source of truth. And we centralize this into the Odoo system. We customize a fulfillment for the streamlined of this operation in order to enhance the inventory accuracy and improvement to deliver our items to our customers.
Odoo was the right decision for us to move on.
I can say it was a great experience. At our key or lead developer was so amazing. They challenged us as well and many times provided a solution that was much better than we initially envisioned. Many times we had urgent requests that had to be done overnight, and because it was something very, very important for the business to be ready. They were there, with us, but any troubleshooting issues, or very responsive overall. So I will fully recommend Bista as an implementation partner for it, for sure.